Welcome back to a new video. Today I want to go over my two trades that I actually took today on Australian dollar and dollar. But before that, I want to show you something I worked on. So this was the Discord I was working on, and we're actually hosting a giveaway just for the start of the Discord. I really want to grow it now. And if you want to join, you can learn a lot from trading. Here are people that are funded, and me as well. I will be answering every question. But if you want to participate in the giveaway, it will end on January 14th. So just join the server, link is in the description, and see you there. So back in the charts, I will go over this one first. That was really easy. Actually, this wasn't like a high confirmation trade or something. It was just, I looked at the price action and I wanted to see where price goes. This one actually nearly didn't hit. I had my TP here or something, or like here. I was lucky it hit. It reversed on me, and no, actually no, it didn't hit here, right? Yeah, it reversed on me here and I struggled. That's the reason here. And then it actually went down. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you why I took this trade. If we're gonna go in 5 minutes, right, we will see that we have a good liquidity up there, but we also just reacted here on a order block, right? On an order block right there, right? And it was a really clean reaction of it. And in this, like the clean reaction that we also had a lower time frame, 1 minute, retracement into this area, right? And I just put a sell limit there. It was a really simple trade. I just looked at price action and I wanted to see where price goes. It just reacted out of this order block, went right back into this order block. It didn't even hit, or didn't even took this as an TP. I took this as an TP because I was scared this will be an order block that it will react off right there. So I just made this as an TP, first TP. And this was already the trade. If you go in higher time frames, you will see that price actually is like hunting for this liquidity, since this is a really good liquidity in combination with an order block that it did later. So here, right? So my bias was bearish as well. So it was, and also it just reacted off like this order block right there, and it was already going down. It just did impulsive movement. After impulsive movement, there will always be a retracement. So we have the retracement. I catch the retracement here. The down, I didn't catch this, right? But then I went back later in the charts and I actually saw this setup as well. Since as you can see here, this was like the down of the move. So we have like, this is the lower. I mean, you could also take this as a lower low, I guess. As a higher low. But I took this one just out of experience. This looks like the real up move. And since we had this as a higher low, then this was our higher high. And now it actually made a higher low here again. Since it reacted under the 50% mark with a high time frame. Wait, what was that? Let me watch real quick. The high time frame Fair Value Gap right there. And then I just went into lower time frame once again, right here. And I entered on the Fair Value Gap. I wanted to. The buy limit didn't, I wasn't fast enough, so I entered like here. So I moved it a little bit. And I just aimed for the 50% mark once again. In combination with a, wait, what was that? I actually forgot. Yeah, in combination with like a order block that was right there. So I just put my TP there, both TP hit. I hope you understand why I took this trades and you can learn something from it, but this will already be the video. Just like and subscribe if you want, if you liked it, and you will be getting a notification for the next videos. And yeah, bye bye.